Let's prove sin A minus sin B is equal to 2 into cos A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. Now see solution. Let x is equal to A plus B divided by 2 and y is equal to A minus B divided by 2. Now make some observations. What is x plus y? X plus y is equal to A plus B upon 2 and plus A minus B upon 2. And this is equal to, now this is A plus B plus A minus B upon 2. Now A plus A, it is 2A by 2, 2 A, and B minus B, it is 0. So x plus y is equal to simply A. This is our first observation. Now next, what is x minus y? X minus y is equal to A plus B upon 2 minus value of y, it is A minus B upon 2. So this is equal to this A plus B minus A, now this minus minus plus B upon 2. So x minus y is equal to, now it is B. X minus y is equal to B. So we have two observations, x plus y equal to A and x minus y is equal to B. Now consider left hand side of this identity, sin A minus sin B. So sin A minus sin B is equal to, now sin value of A, it is x plus y, and value of B, it is x minus y. So it is sin x minus y is equal to, now sin x plus y is nothing but sin x cos y plus cos x then sin y minus, now sin x minus y is nothing but sin x cos y minus cos x sin y, okay, and is equal to, now sin x cos y, and here again sin x cos y, so this is 2 sin x cos y, and cos x, wait, mistake, sin x cos y and minus sin x cos y, it is 0. Now and here cos x sin y minus cos x sin y, so it is 2 cos x sin y, okay, is equal to 2 into cos, the value of x is nothing but A plus B by 2 and y is equal to A minus B by 2. So this is 2 into cos A plus B upon 2 into sin of y, but y is nothing but A minus B upon 2. And what is left hand side? It is sin A minus sin B. Okay. So sin A minus sin B is equal to 2 into cos of A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you.